Hi everyone, Mike here from Robart. Today we're going to be talking about the carbide cutters. If you're sitting at home building, this is what you need. So what we have here are the three different grits for the combo kits for the carbide cutters. First off, you have our part number 466F. This is the fine grit. You have our 466C for coarse, and then you have the 466XC for extra coarse. So let's start with the fine. The fine ones, what you get are a rod, a cutoff wheel, a thicker rod, a small ball cutter, a large ball cutter, and then a cone cutter. The same goes with the coarse and then the extra coarse. The extra coarse is exactly this. This will grind away just about everything. These things are phenomenal for everything except for metal. If you're doing some grinding and you really need to gouge out a lot of wood in your model, this extra coarse will get through it very quickly. The coarse one works very well also, but again, not as fast as the extra coarse. The extra coarse almost looks like bits of rock and so on and so forth. And then we have the fine for your general use. This is a carbide bit, lasts very long. A little trick to these, if you want to clean them out, there's two ways. One, you can just go ahead and hit them with a lighter to clean them out, or just use a wire brush. That'll clean out the open areas, so that'll bring that carbide cutter back to close to beginning use. So if you got any further questions on the carbide cutters from Robart, give us a call at 630-584-7616, or check us out online at www.robart.com, or follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Pinterest. Have a great day.